Let me show you how we can copy and paste on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So usually in order to copy a text, you can press and hold your finger on the phrase in order to highlight it. You can of course grab by these blue markers that we have on the bottom left and bottom right corner, and you can drag the marker in order to select more or less. And besides that, you will see that additional panel that appears above the selected phrase or sentence or whatever, the whole text. And you can of course also choose to select all, or you can tap on these three dots in order to find even more options. But what you want to do is of course you want to copy, so you're just going to tap on copy in here. And now if you want to paste the copied text, you should be able to tap on the text field, any text field that you have available. And usually if you copy the text, right after that on the keyboard at the top of it, we can find that copied text in here. So you can just tap in order to immediately paste it. But in case you do not have that suggestion that allows you to quickly paste the text, you can open the clipboard, which is over here, this icon. So if you tap here, you should be able to find the clipboard, and you should be able to tap on the copied text, which should be on the left side. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.